See here, I'm shutdowning my laptop. See here, shutdown. It has been shutdowning. As you can see here, it has been shutdowning. Yeah, my laptop, as you can see, it has been shutdowning. And wait a few seconds. In this few seconds, it will be not turned off. The inner fans and everything has been running in this. I will try to show you the sound of this running fan. See, as you can see, the heat sound has been coming from here. See, listen. So listen. The hit sound has been coming from here. So hi, hello everyone, welcome back for Logical Sayu. So today in this topic we are going to discuss one of the most important and as well as common recurring errors. So that type of error has been facing by myself from past 1 week while I'm using laptop. Now this my Dell laptop. So laptop will be any company, it doesn't matter, this error will remain same for any such this problem. So I used to use this laptop for regularly in my evening time. So when I use this now, I doesn't notice this from 3 years. I doesn't notice this type of error from my 3 years experience. In past my 1 week, when after using now, when I switch off this now, afterwards also the inner fans will be running and it has been overheated and the here the is there no low battery indicator, it has been also turned to orange. And overall thing that the laptop is been still on when I have been turned off this. So why it will be happen and what are the causes to fix this and why this type of error will occur, and we are going to talk much more detailedly in this video. So video is going to be more interesting. Without skipping a single step, watch this video until end. And if you are new in this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Why? Because it will make me more motivated to make a more videos. So let's start a video. To see this has been a very minor error, understood. Once our battery will got drained, it has been dead, so we can't use this. So we can't notice this while we are turn offing the laptop and placing this in its place. You doesn't notice whether it has been on or off, it has been completely off or not. We were in such a hurry when our work will done. No, afterwards we directly shut down this and place this in this position, understood. So I also not fixed or not got such a way that we can rectify this type of error, but from my talent, from my knowledge, what I will do to fix this kind of error now. So nothing too much complicated method. So battery, these are the clips, these are the clips of this laptop. You, whether it may be your any type of laptop, it doesn't matter, any company, HP, Apple, Mac, anything, any laptop, it doesn't matter. Once you facing this type of error, now just don't do anything, just remove your battery, understood. After turning off, just remove your battery and place this. Just do this much, understood. Your laptop will be completely off, it doesn't have any side effect. I'm using this from past 1 week and this error has been fixed. So this experienced video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So at a time, don't worry, be happy, let you see in next video. So I have been not come in front of you regularly from past 4 to 5 months. So why? Because I have been stuck in my dream house construction. So everything now it has been settled. So almost the 90% has been work done. If you want to see that work has been done fantastically, interior, exterior, everything, so comment below and I will be most happiest person to share this with you. So at that time, don't worry, be happy, let you see next video.